Hey everyone, this is Angie, and welcome back to my channel, Tink's Treasures. This week I wanted to share assembling a sewing station that I came up with. So I came across this on Amazon. I wanted to have something a little modular for my crafts or sewing space. And this, once put together, will be able to fold up and put away so that I have room to move around in this space. So we've got everything pulled out of our box and we're just getting ready to lay out our pieces so that we know what and where to assemble. Although this project only took us about 2 hours, I'm so glad I had help with me to go ahead and get everything laid out, and it went twice as fast. There was 2 of us installing hardware and laying everything out to help make the process go so much faster. And if you've assembled furniture before, like IKEA or maybe even from Amazon, this is your typical bolt together type assembly. It comes with the dowels and cam locks for you just to put in place, and then when you get to the later stages of this, there are screws and hinges and some caster wheels to add on. Okay, this is take 2 because we had issues with the first assembly and having something upside down. So we're going to go ahead and start over. And we already have our hardware in, so this process should go a lot faster. And this is what we did wrong the first time. Because I misunderstood. I thought when we were putting it together, you would have your hardware facing up, and then when everything was done, you would flip it over. But that's not the case, which would only make sense in my opinion, because now you get to tighten everything upside down.
Probably flip it on that side.
Let's put glue. We're going to put glue in it. So just as a professional tip here, as someone who has put together mini box kits of furniture, always use your wood glue whenever possible. It works best when you have your raw edges like this, but even against the melamine, everything counts. So it helps to use your wood glue. So you can see it's starting to come together here where we have our base made, and at this point we're going to put on the caster wheels, and these are really nice. They actually have a locking feature, so once you put it in place you can lock those wheels and you don't have to worry about it sliding around. This particular unit has this little cubby that comes with it. I wouldn't call it a drawer because it's going to attach to one of the side supports. But it'll be nice once you open it up, you can have some simple things in there. So what you don't see right here is Steph is attaching some latches to the sides of these supports. I'm not sure what to call them. They're not exactly doors and they're not exactly legs, but they open up and serve as legs. So each one of these will have an attachment for a latch, so that when it's open, or actually when it's closed, it latches in place so that it doesn't swing open. And then once we get to the tabletop, there's also another latch that is attached to these supports so that when the tabletop flips out, it has something to lock it into place.
We can put this out of the way.
Yes.
Is it on your foot? Oh no, it's
No.
oh, it's on the. Ooh, look, it's on rollers. Yay! It's coming. It's kind of working.
So we have the tabletop left to assemble. There are 3 pieces. The middle is the base piece that's going to attach to the unit, and then it has hinges for each of the sides so that when you open up, you can swing out those doors and then use the latch to hold the top in place. And you'll see that here shortly.
But you know, there's always supposed to be extra pieces left over. Ta-da! It's like we did it right. Roll it out.
Yeah, a whole bunch of projects going on in here.
And I guess this handle thing is just for looks, because you don't do
So move it around.
So I can use that little chair over there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's cool projects.
Oh, his and hers.
Oh, there you go.
However, for those viewing this video, if you do want to use it as a sewing station,
Just keep in mind that this is now in your way from putting your machine in the center. So you're gonna have to sew from left or right. I would put it on the right and all my fabric would be on the left.
that'll work.
Right? Yeah.
Okay, well, there we have it. It's all complete. I am so happy with how this turned out. And I want to thank my friend Steph for coming over and helping me put it together. It made it so much easier and enjoyable spending time together building this project. So I look forward to using it in my sewing room, and I will have a video coming up next showing it off a little bit more and how it's going to fit into my space. So until next time, I would appreciate if you like this to go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It's free to do and would be priceless to me. So until next time, happy crafting. Bye.